handsome peeps out there, this is Tasnim and welcome to my channel. Today I did 2 face masks that you guys need to try out before Eid because these face masks are very moisturizing, they are skin tightening and they will benefit you a lot. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you do. You guys can also follow me on my Instagram and I'll leave a link in the description box below, and yeah, let's get started. So I'm starting off with some Multani Mitti powder. You can get it at Charmantis Dreams. This is a Facebook page. This is no way sponsored by them. I just got mine from them, so you guys can check them out. Second, you are going to need some rose water. Rose water is easily available in any supermarket. This is the Gulabri one. So you're going to require 1 teaspoon of the Multani Mitti. Add it to 2 teaspoons of rose water and then mix it well. If your mixture is very liquidy, which my one was basically, you can easily just add more Multani Mitti powder just to make a toothpaste like consistency, you know, a thick one. Now I'm going to apply this face mask on my clean skin. I'm using a flat brush by Real Technique and I'm going to lather it across my face. So this mask is basically going to help tighten up my skin and also exfoliate it, because when you're going to take it off, it is going to be slightly exfoliating, nothing drastic, so it is going to work for sensitive skin as well. If you don't have rose water, you can easily substitute it with normal tap water. Now all you have to do is wait for 10 minutes. You can do whatever I was doing, showing off myself, or you can just use your phone. Now I'm going to take this mask off using my normal tap water. Then you have to just pat dry your face with your towel. Now you guys can see my skin already looks very bright, but to moisturize and tighten up the skin, we have our next recipe. For this you will require 1 tablespoon honey and 1 teaspoon coffee. You will add all these together and then you're going to again need Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth. However, if you don't have this, you can substitute it with besan, or also known as gram flour. So add 1 teaspoon of it to the mixture and then add 1 tablespoon of milk to it. Then mix it all together nicely into a paste-like consistency. However, my one was again liquidy, so just add more Multani Mitti to it until it reaches a paste-like consistency, or besan if that's in your case. Then just apply this face mask again to your clean skin. However, this mask smells very good because of the coffee in it. So coffee will help to brighten up the skin, and then your milk helps to moisturize it, as well as honey. Honey also helps to remove that tan, which you definitely need before Eid. And Multani Mitti also will help to tighten up the skin, or besan helps to basically brighten up the skin. Honey also helps to tighten up the skin, so you're getting a lot of benefits from this particular mask. However, if you don't have sensitive skin, you can add a few drops of lemon to it for that brightness. Then wait for 10 minutes and then wash your face with some tap water, and you'll finally be left with clean, soft skin. So I'm done washing my face. As you guys can see, my skin looks so much more brighter, tighter, and if you guys could feel my skin, it feels so much more softer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and comment below if you like these type of skincare videos. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye!